In the previous Java tutorial, we created an empty window. In this video, we will add a button to this window. To add a button, I create a button object from the JButton class. I send the name of the button to the constructor in the JButton class. I need to set the position and size of the button in the application. To do this, I will use the setBounds method. I will send 4 parameters to the button. The first 2 parameters will determine its position. The last 2 parameters will determine its size. I add the button to the first app window. The button covered the entire application, so the setBounds method is not working as I want right now. To solve this problem, I sent the null value to the setLayout method. I set the position and size of the button with the setBounds method. Let's understand better how it works by changing the parameters sent to the method. I changed the height and width values. I changed the x value. The object moves in the x coordinate. Now I will change the y value. The object moved in the y coordinate. I set all the values to their initial state. I set the button to its initial position and size. Now I will change the other physical properties of the button. I will change the background color of the button. I set it to yellow. The name of the button is black by default. Let's change it. I set the name of the button to white. The name of the button is not visible. I will set the name of the button to black. There is no action when the button is clicked. I will add an action. I can do this using the addActionListener method. I define an action listener. I will print a text to the console when the button is clicked. When I click the button, the text I specify is printed to the console. You can add more than one button to the window. I will create another button by copying and pasting. I make the necessary adjustment. I add the button to the window. I create a window with the 2 buttons. I am deleting the second button for now. In this video, we create a window with a button. Then we'll learn how to change the properties of the button. I recommend you to watch next Java tutorial.